Hi, it's Jess, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be customising a VW pickup. There's not much that I want to do to this car. I really like the colourway and everything. I just think they've let themselves down a bit on some of the details, like the headlights, the door handles, the brake lights, things like that. So that's all I'm going to be doing. So to get it out of the box, all I do is I get a little bit of nail varnish remover on like a little cotton bud or something like that, and I just go around where the glue is. So I just go along the back in like a U shape. I've just sped this up a little bit. And then I just go around the edges on the front. And I just let that sit for a minute. And then you just carefully lift up the plastic and it should easily come away from the card. And then I just kind of wiggle the car out. As I say, I do really like this car. I just think they've let themselves down on all the little details. Like the headlights, door handles, the brake lights. I'm just showing you like on the card what it looks like, so I'm going to do my best to try and make it look like what it does on the card. So first I'm just doing the headlights, so I just get a little bit of white paint and I'm just filling the inside of the headlights. I should have really done this silver, but it was my first time doing headlights, so I thought I'll just try white for now. Then I'm just going in with a little brush because that little dabber tool wasn't really working that well. So I just kind of go around with the same white paint, just on a little brush. So next I've just got some clear gel, and I've just kind of got like a droplet of it on the end of this tool, and I just place it right over where that white is. I'm just trying to get like the bulb effect with this gel. So I just do that on both sides. Then I let that dry and I did another layer just to kind of get that fully round shape. So this is what it looks like after. I don't think it's the best, but I think it does just make the car look so much better, even just that little detail. So now I'm just getting the box in frame, so I've got a reference photo for what I'm doing. So I just get some black paint on a really tiny brush. I'm just filling in all them little dots. Here I'm just tapping the sides so that the paint fills them little circles fully, and as you can see there's a few little bits where it hasn't, so I'm just going to go back in with that brush again and touch up the little bits where it hasn't fully filled them. So now I'm just doing the brake lights. I'm doing these with a red glitter because I feel like when it hits the light it gives the effect that they're actually lit up. So at first I do just do the end bit, but I think it would look better if I did the whole thing, so I'll go back and do that. Do make a little mistake there, so I just get a little bit of nail varnish remover on a little brush and I just clean up the edges. You only need a very little bit of remover on the brush, otherwise it will take the paint off the car. So I'm just going around all the edges, just making sure that it's all covered. So now I'm just going to go around with that brush again and just clean up all the little mistakes I made. This is what it looks like once it's dry, and if you see, it does look like there's actually lights on when the light reflects off all the specks of glitter. So next I'm just getting a silver pen just to do the door handles. I feel like this is the easiest, simplest way to do all the little chrome accessories. So I'm just drawing over them door handles. Now I'm just going in with the same white I used on the headlights, and I'm just touching up all the little bits on the logo that I'm missing. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there was a few little dots that were just missing. So I'm just touching them up. So now it looks a lot better than it did when what was started. So here's just an after video. I do just think it looks so much better. Now I'm just going to pop it back in the box. So all I do is I just lift the plastic up again off the card again, and I just pop the car in. I do give it a little shake just to make sure that it's back in the right place. Next I just get some super glue. I'm using this one, but you can probably use any. And I just dab it on the corners. And then just press the plastic against the card to make sure it sticks. And I use some of this activator. And there you go. It's back in the box like it's never been opened. If you did enjoy this video, please drop me a like and comment what car you think I should do next. Thanks for watching.